Onphone app second phone number. So here is the app. Original phone, get a second phone number, local numbers for 90 plus countries, your phone number for texting and calling. Onphone lets you manage multiple phone lines for personal and business needs, all without an extra SIM card. Instantly get a new phone number, make calls, and send texts worldwide while keeping your real number private. So this is quite a popular app. It also has eSIMs. So that's kind of the idea. And high-speed flexible no contract eSIM plans, AI tools for calling and texting, send receive fax as well across devices, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch. And then there are some features. Then there's your profile. You can get a new number, a real phone number, just for registration, for fax or a SIM. So you decide. So for example, get this number and then you see $20 per month, $40 3 months, $100 per year. So this is what you might get. Then there is your balance. You can just top up this balance. That's kind of the idea. So this is not cheap. I think there are cheaper apps if you want to get a number. Also, if you really want to get a number just for, one call, two calls, one SMS, there are apps which offer you free trial and you can just, upgrade with a free trial, do your call, do your SMS, and then just cancel free trial. You don't need to pay like $20, to be honest. But if you need for a longer term, usually you just need to pay. So that's kind of the idea. And then you see here the details. Then you can see AI chat. And then you can see recents and eSIM as well. You can buy eSIM, for example. You can see eSIM card, no commitment, $6 per month. So seems like they have now this global eSIM plan. Didn't know that. Flexible plans. So I don't know what is that? So something like that basically, but yeah, there you have it. So basically that's it. That's about it. That's the app. I don't think they have some referral codes or anything, but quite a popular app overall.